Welcome back. Today is a very sad day for me. So the only thing to cheer me up is to make the video and make myself laugh in this video. You can see some kids. Hi, Uncle Larry. Die, Uncle Larry. Die. Elizabeth! I've been wondering where you were. Die, Elizabeth. Die. Die. Larry. Come back here, Larry the pig. What, Larry the pig? Can I enchant stuff right now? I want to enchant stuff ready. I'm breaking. I want to get unbreaking. I'm gonna try to get unbreaking. Okay. Clash team haven't made any videos yesterday, and I tried to contact him. He didn't answer. So something should be wrong with Clash team. I don't know what. I don't know. I haven't seen them since the last few. I don't know. Since the last few, I don't know. My house is empty, and we want to fill up stuff. But first, we want to go from level 4. Enchanting. Let's try to do that right now. Okay, I'm back. Let's go enchant stuff. Let me get my stuff right here. I got off, but I actually found a lot of pigs and a lot of animals to give me that, and I only got like 24, 34, I mean. Let's go to, let's do that. Let's go get lapis first. Okay. Got them anymore. I'm gonna go to the place that I want right now. It's far away and my tablet is 11%, so I'm gonna just press the video. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that today. I want to do something else different. I want to get animals right now. But wait, I saw a steak right here. Wonder what it is. Whatever, but let's build. Let's try to build a maze today in this video. This is going to be part because my tablet is low percent, so we're going to build the maze right over here. Everything. So it's looking clean. Let's start the maze. It's going to be a really easy maze. But we're gonna start easy first, and then hard, and then medium, and then hard. Just to start. Okay, so we're gonna start right over here. The entrance right over here, right? So let's go there, right there. Right there, right there. Okay, hold up. Let me crouch. Alright, here the maze begins, right? So, okay. Like that. Alright. Alright, so it's going to be part of the video. It's only going to be 7 minutes long. 7 minutes long. 7 minutes long. Alright, so let me start with the other one. Let's go right here, right there. Right here, right there, and right. No, wait, I did it wrong. Okay. Oh, okay, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys. Sorry it's short, but it's going to be parts. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Capiche.